A big elephant wakes, stretching his trunk with playful shakes, stirs. He swings through trees, his feet stomp loud. Monkeys laugh and jump, feeling proud. Butterflies flutter around his gray round ears. He giggles with joy, forgetting all fears. The river sparkles, reflecting the sky. Elephant splashes water, making fish fly. Turtles wave slowly from a sunny rock. Parrots sing tunes, tick-tocking the clock. He rolls through the grass, a giant ball of fun. Kangaroos bounce, leaping one by one. Frogs hop in puddles, ribbit, hooray! Elephant trumpets loudly, come join my play. Dragonflies dance with rainbow trails. Bees buzz around with golden honey veils. He climbs a hill, then slides down fast. A rolling tumble, everyone laughs at last. Monkeys swing from his long swinging trunk. He spins in circles, giving the forest a funk. Bunnies hop nearby, waving green leaves. Squirrels toss acorns, juggling with ease. From morning sunlight to the glowing moon, hey! Elephant's adventure plays a happy tune. He meets a lion, gentle and kind. Together they laugh, leaving worries behind. Rain starts falling, pitter-pat on the ground. Elephant dances, splashing puddles all around. Hey! Foxes twirl scarves, deer prance with glee. Elephant swings tail, oh come dance with me. From rivers to valleys, through flowers so bright, every animal joins in the jungle delight. Finally the stars twinkle above the trees. Elephant yawns softly in the night breeze. Adventure is over, but joy remains near. Tomorrow we'll play again with laughter and cheer.